Good morning, teachers and classmates. I will show you the non-biodegradable and biodegradable. First, plastic bottle, non-biodegradable. Glass bottle, non-biodegradable. Plastic straw, non-biodegradable. Battery, non-biodegradable. Spoon and fork plastic are non-biodegradable. Are objects that cannot be decomposed easily, and it will give harm to the animal and creatures under the sea. Biodegradable. Paper bag, eggshells, and seeds of avocado. These are the objects that can be decomposed and serve as fertilizers and to the plants. Thank you for watching.